All right, we got our girl from Chicago here going to do CMYK on a black shirt without an underbase. Just to see what it looks like.
Underbase, huh?
No underbase. Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
You want to bet 20 you won't see the color? Double 11?
You already owe me 20, boy.
Yeah. Okay, there's our first.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Nah, then you would have been like, what? I got it.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
All right.
Her charger's gonna be in the dark.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of those retro looking ones here, because that's the yellow on the white. That's the yellow and the magenta. There's yellow, magenta, and cyan on the next one. All right, let's see what it looks like. Yeah.
I feel like it ain't no.
You may be making a whole new. We have a new type of printing, vintage looking.
You think it's gonna come out vintage?
I don't know. Right now it looks something, or maybe been eating shrooms or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
see hers and then you see mine.
Yep. That's with the yellow and the magenta. That's with the yellow and magenta. Yep. Yep. All right, there's the yellow, magenta, and cyan. Yeah, you can barely see it. There's the finished shirt.
You can barely see
All right.
it.
Now we put the black on there, and black on black. Yep. You wanted to see what it looked like. I've never done it. Yeah, so we're gonna. Yeah, we're curious. We might as well finish it.
So the black.
Oh
didn't do
yeah, that is. Oh, that ugly. Yeah, now we see why you do CMYK on white, or you do it with a white underbase. Nice bright white. Yep.
I